subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSoul blog.
Last month Vivo has launched Vivo V19 in Indonesia, but it was just a rebranded version of Vivo V17. And now, finally the company has announced the global variant with dual selfie cameras. Talking about the specifications, the new Vivo V19 features a 6.44-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, and it also supports in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 712 chipset paired with Adreno 616 GPU. The device packs with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of internal storage. And there is also a dedicated microSD card slot for storage expansion. As per the camera, the Vivo V19 features a quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module including LED flash. The quad rear camera includes a 48MP main camera with f1.79 aperture plus 8MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 2MP macro and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, there is dual 32 plus 8MP cameras at the front under the pill-shaped hole punch. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on FunTouch OS 10 out of the box. The smartphone comes backed by 4500 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support, and it also has liquid cooling system that reduces the phone temperature in extreme conditions. Additionally, the company has also added Multi-Turbo 3.0 technology for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 159.64 by 75.04 by 8.5mm and it weighs around 186.5 grams.